I wanted to go swimming, but I am so tired. The film received good ratings, however, it was very long. I was eager to join them for the vacation, but on the other hand, my exam dates were getting closer. Remind them beforehand, otherwise, they might leave without taking the tickets. Zoe loved hot chocolate, unlike John. Zoe may not perform up to the mark in science subjects, but conversely, he has an impeccable hold in literature. She felt guilty and depressed at the same time. In spite of heavy rainfall, he took out his scooter and headed towards the hospital. She kept on arguing despite her mistake. He could manage the cooking part, even though it would not taste awesome.